Hey children, after completing our first chapter, today we have to start our second chapter, that is Families on the Move. Let me underline your chapter name, children. What is it? Families on the Move. Here we are. Families on the Move. What do you mean, families on the move? It's about changes in the family. We discussed, children, right, that there are many events that causes changes in the family, and some of the events, such as it may be the transfer of the job, or you buy some home at some another place. Such events, they causes you to shift your place, to move from one place to the other. So the entire chapter is about families on the move. Clear, children? Let's have a look at the backtrack of the chapter. Here I am zooming it for you. Here. So many events such as birth of a child, adoption, marriage, job transfer, or retirement bring about changes in the family. This we have already studied, right? What causes changes in the family? We have already studied. Let's again mark them. What are these changes causing factors? क्या क्या है जिसकी वजह से changes होते हैं? That is, first है हमारा birth of a child. Okay, ये तो छुप ही गया, कोई नहीं. Second is adoption. Third is your marriage. Fourth is your job transfer. And fifth is your retirement. So these are your 5 factors causing changes in the families. Okay, next is job changes and transfer are one of the common reasons why people move or migrate. यहाँ पे 2 words आए हैं बच्चों, move and migrate. दोनों की मीनिंग्स और डिफरेंसेस अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. लेट्स कम टू द मेन पॉइंट. मेन पॉइंट सेज job transfer and job changes are the 2 most common reasons. तो क्या है, जॉब में जब किसी पर्सन की जॉब है, he is doing a particular job, but now he has to change that job. Okay, for example, if I am doing something and I get admitted to a army position, मैं किसी फोर्स में select हो जाऊँ, so I have to go to that place. Then my family would also come along with me to the place nearby. And the second thing is transfers. Transfers be, children, mostly in government jobs. And abhi to IT sectors mein bhi most of the companies, they give you transfers. They have their centers all over the India. वहाँ पे भी आपके transfers होते हैं. Bank, सबसे most common example for transfer is your bank. You get transferred from one place to another. तो इससे क्या होता है, that insist the family to move or migrate. अभी अगर आप सिंगल हो, इफ़ यू आर नॉट मैरिड, देन तो आप जा सकते हो. आपकी जॉब चेंज हुई, you can pack your things and you can go. But for the person who has entire family with him, उसकी पूरी family जाती है. So they do 2 things. One is your move and second one is migrate. Move is for a small distance and maybe for a small period of time. थोड़े दिन के लिए हम चले गए या थोड़ी दूर पे चले गए. हम एक ही स्टेट में हैं, एक ही स्टेट में, वी लिव इन अ सेम स्टेट, बट हम सिटी चेंज कर ले रहे हैं, राइट? दैट इज़ योर मूवमेंट. एंड व्हाट इज़ माइग्रेशन, चिल्ड्रन? माइग्रेशन इज, आप एक स्टेट से दूसरे स्टेट पे माइग्रेट हो रहे हो, या आप कंट्री छोड़ दे रहे हो, आप अपनी कंट्री से दूसरी कंट्री जा रहे हो बिकॉज ऑफ जॉब ट्रांसफर, जॉब चेंजेस. दैट इज़ योर migration. Quickly, children, moving on to third point. What does our third point says? Third point says sometimes natural disasters like earthquakes and floods force people to move. So this is your third thing. Okay, so this was your third thing, that is your natural thing. And here they have named only 2 disasters like earthquake and floods, or यही चीज़ें अलग अलग जगहों पे डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टेरेन यू लिव, जैसे इफ़ यू लिव नियर अ some coastal areas you live, then maybe a tsunami, and if you live in mountainous regions, then maybe an avalanche. So these are your natural disasters. in natural disasters होते हैं, ये भी persons को force करते हैं एक place से दूसरी place पे रहने के लिए. Clear children? In the next session we'll move further